Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a portfolio website on Notion. We'll see how to add social media links like LinkedIn, Behance, and even an email contact button. You can also write information about yourself and your projects. Alright, the first step is to go to Templates. Here, search for Portfolio. Add to my workspace. Now let's customize the template. Here, we can change the cover, you can choose a photo link, upload an image, or pick one from Notion's gallery. In Unsplash, you can also select more images from Notion. Now here, you can change the emoji or add your photo. Although the photo option is only for Plus users, you can add an emoji. In Custom, you could upload a picture of yourself. In fact, my recommendation is to go to this website, crop your image into a circular shape for a better fit, and then upload it to Notion. Here, you'll add your name and what you do. Here, you'll delete this. And type /C2. Now, type /emoji. Here, you'll add your country's flag emoji, followed by your location. In the second column, you'll add all your social media links. You can also add MySpace to fill it in a bit more. Now, if we select the text, we can add a hyperlink. Simply click here, and here, you'll add the link. You can link a Google document or anything else. In my case, I'll create a new Notion page and fill it with information. For LinkedIn and Behance, we'll do the same thing. Right now, I won't add any personal links since this is just for the tutorial. Now select the text again, and here we can change the color. You can also bold the text. Alright, here, you'll add more information about yourself. Then, here, you can customize this section to showcase your projects. In tags, add the appropriate tags for your project. If you right-click on the image, you can choose how you want to display it. In the process, you can choose to add a video of your project's process. You can add a video link, whether from YouTube or any other website. Or you can upload the video directly here. In link, add your project's link. Whether it's a Google Drive link or something else. Alright, down here, move the email section to the top, although you can also leave it at the bottom. Position it accordingly. If you click on Edit, you can customize the email. You'll type mail to, followed by your email. Now, you'll see that if you click on your email, it will take you directly there, which is perfect. Lastly, you can create 2 new columns here at the bottom and add more information if needed. Once everything is done, go to Share. Publish. If you go to Site Customization, you can change things like the theme. However, this option is only for Plus users. Here, you can add a custom URL, but this is also for Plus users. However, you can leave the default one. Now, just copy the link here, and if you paste it in Google, you'll be able to see your portfolio website online. If this guide was helpful to you, subscribe, leave a like, and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.